Yeah, it's like they're so big. Oh, and I love that smell of a fresh morel, especially the nice, good ones. Oh my God, it smells so good. God. Hope you're joining today's adventure. Like, subscribe, and share, and let's adventure some more. Yeah, I can't believe how many I'm finding. Shit, yeah. Shit, yeah. Fresh.
Ooh, a piece of candy.
Fresh. Like Jimmy John's. Look at that. Yeah. That smell. I just can't get over that smell. Love it. Just walking through a swamp looking for morels. But I hate this auto exposure. It's starting to piss me off. I thought I fixed it. Morel.
Ooh, a piece of candy.
Morel. Oh wait, that's a leaf. Morel.
Ooh, a piece of candy.
There we go. It says it's locked. So yeah. Morel. I like the way that looks with these weird little top.
Ooh, a piece of candy.
Morel. That's Morella. When the moon hits your eyes and I find this big surprise, those are Morellas. Don't mind the shitty singing. I'm just super fucking happy. I can't believe how many I'm finding. Look at the size of this fucker. Fucking so fresh in there. Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. Look at that vase I'm leaving. Holy shit. I think that's the biggest vase I've seen in a while. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Yep. Oh, there you go. Right.
Ooh, piece of candy.
Right here. Just barely make them out. Oh, yes. I can't believe how deliciously fresh these are looking. The more I come back in the back, it does get a little swampier, but whew, no dry spots on them sons of bitches.
One eternity later.
I do not know why I keep changing my exposure. I've done it like 15 times now, and I'm sorry for that. I tried fixing it. It's not working. I'm going to make sure I bring the camera next time. It's my fault for leaving it. Keep forgetting I'm a YouTube person now. I need that always. Just for situations like this, because you never know when the fuck you'll run into gold. I was not expecting to find this. Like, at all. I cannot believe. Like, I found one or two in the past few years back here. And I was like, oh, let's bust out the phone. One or two. Just like I've been doing. Wonder if like a 2 turned into 1 or 200. Holy fuck. Yep. Up here in the dry grass too. I don't know if you can see it right here.
Ooh, a piece of candy.
That's pretty one too. Yep. No kindness to it. Yes. That's a beauty. Another one.
Ooh, a piece of candy.
Right here. Right out of the corner of my eye because the light's just hitting. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can't believe what we're finding today, guys. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. His base is just starting to rot, but let's check out that top. Oh my goodness. Oh, fuck yes. Oh, fuck yeah. That is a beautiful top. Right beside it. He's a little past prime. I'm going to leave him alone. He's as big as the damn stem I left. Holy shit. There's another one. Right here by this little tree.
Ooh, a piece of candy.
Right there. Yeah. Just starting to dry a little bit. Still delicious looking. Fuck yeah. Oh, dude. Fucking fool. Holy shit. That's not even what I left on the ground. That's why I have to keep leaving them on the ground because my pockets keep getting filled. I walk 20 feet and it's like, big one, big one, big one, big one. I walk 20 more feet, some more fucking big ones. They're like, are you hungry? I will feed you today. Yeah, I haven't found this many morels in a long time. I bet there still might be some down through this water. There's water down through there. Go check it out. Not seeing none more back here in the tree. Oh, see? I always speak too soon. There. Can you see it?
Ooh, a piece of candy.
Right there. Oops, didn't cut it all the way. Oh, yeah. The amount of fresh ones that I'm finding today is literally insane. I can't believe this. Normally I find them a little dried out past prime. Always something, but for some reason, back around this tree, holy shit. All through here too. Big ones, and man, they're so fresh. Keep on looking a little bit here. Before I get in the water, let's fire back up. Glad I decided to walk through that little tree line. That's another place I typically only find maybe one. And it's normally shit by the time I get to it because of the sun there. But man, them three were perfect. Yep, right there under that
Piece of
tree.
candy.
Look how big that is. Sticking right on up for me. Couldn't bounce that again perfect if I tried. Oh yeah, another nice. Look, I don't know if I can fit anymore.
12 seconds later.
All right. Check out what I found again. I hope I find a few more today. Oh, there's another one. Oh, fuck yeah. Look at this beauty.
Ooh, a piece of candy.
And not only do we have that one, look at this big son of a bitch. Look at that.
Ooh, a piece of candy.
Yeah. Oh, I hope there's a few fucking more. Damn, that's awesome. I didn't even see that second one. I just saw this one. Hell yeah. Let's see what we got here. Come on. Fucking stay the fuck up. Take a knife. Just gonna cut right here at the base. Oh yeah. God, I love the smell of fresh morels. These are fucking delicious. I can't wait to get this next one. I'm gonna put this in the bucket. Upside down here for a second. And then this sucker here, make sure there ain't no more. Hell yeah. Oh, man, this sucker here is huge.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
And I hope you guys enjoyed watching today. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button and show me some love. And I'll see if we can find some more of these for the next one.